They are looking to see accountability, and that does, on the evidence that's in the report, clearly bring in criminal law proceedings. Now, you can have a private prosecution, but David Cameron's conceded that the state has let these people down, and I take the view it's for the state to do the prosecuting. And the police have got powers which mere mortals don't. I mean, they can take in suspects and interview them under caution, which, I mean, I as the solicitor for the family couldn't do. They have got the resources. And why should these people have to pay for justice? I mean, the Prime Minister's stood up and said they've suffered a double injustice. I mean, why make it a third one that they've got to pay for rectification? Police misconduct that's described is an important part of it. It's not just doctoring statements, but it is said that four South Yorkshire police officers went to a press agency in Sheffield and told them a pack of lies, presumably in the belief that these lies could be published, and they are in fact what the Sun published, whether innocently or not, who knows, but why would police officers plant lies that denigrate the deceased persons if it wasn't to pervert the course of justice? I'm having personally a great deal of difficulty thinking of a more rational and attractive explanation. The tricky thing, of course, is that the families could be forgiven for thinking that they wouldn't place too much trust on the authorities in this, as they've been waiting 23 years, and they certainly don't want to wait another 23 years whilst things aren't done properly. So I'm going to make a proposal, and I'm hoping it will be ventilated in the parliamentary debate that will take place in October, that there is an oversight committee put together so that the family could know that things are being done properly, and that any prosecutions that are being merited could be taken. I mean, everybody who's touched this case for 23 years, until Andy Burnham asked the Bishop of Liverpool to have a look at it, has managed to avoid the interests of justice. It's quite extraordinary. I mean, one normally finds that it's cock-up, but this is going to be looked at very carefully with a view to those who have done wrong being made accountable.